Cover how to find great discounts on Temu, like rumored 90% off code for huge Temu discounts like 90% off. Here's how to score real deals safely and legally. No sketchy codes, just smart strategies. 1. Share and invite rewards. Temu often runs invite promotions where you and your friends can both earn credits or even coupons by sharing invite links. These rewards can sometimes add up to big savings, though not always exactly 90%. Still, it's completely legit and Temu approved. Number 2, daily flash deals and super discounts. Every day, the Temu homepage features flash deals and heavily discounted super discount items. Check frequently, especially during Temu campaigns like 9.9, 11.11, 12.12, or local Philly events, where you can secure up to 70 and 90% off select products. 3. App-exclusive scratch cards and spin-to-win use. Temu's scratch card or spin-to-win features inside the app. You can win discount coupons, sometimes up to 50 to 70% off or even more. These are randomized but real and allowed promotions. 4. Combine coupons. If you do get a coupon from Scratch Card, Invite Rewards, or flash sale events, try combining it with the first order discount or store-wide coupons if Temu allows stacking. That's the safest way to maximize savings. Number 5. Follow Temu on social media. Temu shares exclusive discount codes on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or via influencers. Sometimes they release region-specific promos with deep discounts. Keep an eye on their official accounts. Heads up! Any video or tip claiming guaranteed 90% off coupon code that bypasses official channels is likely false or against Temu's terms. Stick to app features, official campaigns, and invitation systems. Bottom line, there's no magic 90% off code floating around legitimately. But by combining invite rewards, flash sales, app scratch cards, and seasonal campaigns, you can get massive discounts safely.